So let's take a look at DJ. So yesterday I got some really good sells, mainly because I really stacked and took advantage of this opportunity. Um, we were in a time where there was probably not going to be enough volume to break this resistance that was created here, because most of the volume from that day was spent retracing, and then we had news. But I was like, there's a higher chance we're going to go bearish, considering the 4 hour, the lower highs were still being maintained. Nothing ever changed when it came to that, right? Lower highs still being maintained. So the whole time you're just looking for sells. But I wasn't even waiting for a break of support. This time I saw on the daily and honestly the 2-day chart that this area was very strong when it comes to reversals. So I was like, I'm definitely gonna, just let price play it out. And eventually it broke support, and I'm still in 2 of the orders. The rest of them I got out, in this area. But for today, I wouldn't take any trades because, let's see. Well, one, to me, it's already on some form of support, and two, 23.6, it's all right, but it's a little bit risky. But the support that I have drawn is based on weekly, monthly, weekly. Must be based on a monthly. If you're looking to the left, but it's far information to the left though. Like you have this resistance that was created right here. I'm assuming maybe the same thing could happen right here. Just a possibility, but I do have it on my chart, so I'm not gonna look to take sells right there. Although you could definitely probably get some really good sells in from here on out. I'm just gonna, move on to something. I had my time with GJ yesterday, and plus I'm still in sells. So moving on to the next, the 4 hour on NAS is currently, the structure is bullish, but what just happened with the support about to break, and it technically still hasn't though. Right now technically it's still bullish. You gotta wait for 30 minutes and see how this candle closes. Although, again, like yesterday, I didn't want to take buys because I was like, look at where we are. We are really high up. And you look to the left and you see we have this this level of resistance on the daily time frame that could really do something. And now we see some sort of reversal happening right now. Now, I'm not saying we can go in full-fledged sells, but that might not be the worst idea considering how high we are right now. Let's see, we can do something like this broke right here. Potentially this could be the move. That could potentially be the move. The 4 hour is not confirming that that's a high probability, but if we just scrap all that together, forget the sells, we can focus on the next buys, like this moment that will be coming up. I'm expecting it to happen maybe around this area, maybe responding off of this level. So for high probability trades, I would wait until it turns back bullish after it traces some, But for right now type situation, I would probably be looking more for sells, just because where it is and how the candles are looking right now, even though it's not completely confirmed. Now for gold, she's going. I'm still not, messing with her right now because I'd rather have some type of, actually, I'm good at that. Some type of considerable pullback that makes sense. Do we have news for today? We have news at 10, We're gonna do that too. We have news at 10 o'clock. So I'm just honestly waiting. The trade I'm most likely to take today, more than like I'm not gonna touch gold. I'll touch NAS if I get a nice like, let's see, so the lower time frame is back bullish. If I can get support to break, Or if I can get some serious wick rejections up in this area right here, I think that I could sacrifice some cells. Although it would be way better if I were to actually wait until support to break on the lower time frame, because we're already not confirmed to be cells on the 4-hour yet. Doesn't mean it can't happen, but yeah, that's my analysis for today.